Done.
Okay. Good morning, student. One more feather added in our online class. This is from my dearest student daughter. On her marriage anniversary, she had gifted me this. So I'm very proud of this type of student, and I'm also proud of you also. So that is why I don't know how to connect this. So that's why we have vested this. Okay, page number 34. Second, you have to decide it is a quadratic equation or not. Especially this type of the question, we have to convert in quadratic form. If it is not in that form, then it is not a quadratic equation. So m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is m square minus 3m minus 5 is equal to 0. It is exactly equal to am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. These two equations are matching. Yes. Therefore, it's a quadratic equation. If it is not matching, then it is not a quadratic equation. It is given m cube plus 3m square minus 2 3m square. This goes this side or this side. So this is minus 2m cube it is. So minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Is not equal to am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. This and these are not matching. Power is 3. So quadratic equation. You have to match two equation. Then we have to find out the values of ABC. That also we will see two example. For example, 3m square, 2m square. So 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So m square plus 0m plus 9. By comparing with equation am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So here 1 you can take. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 9. You have to compare the equation with standard quadratic equation. X minus 1 total square to x plus 3. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. This goes this side. This also goes this side. When you have to jump the equal sign, you have to change the original sign. So plus to minus. By comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4. Then 6 also. This I can write here. So x square minus 9 is equal to 30. X square minus 9 minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 22 is equal to 0. So x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. In decreasing form of the power, 2 power, 1 power, 0 power. So again, ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 20. Then in first sum, we have to check that given solution are the root of the equation or not. Check x is equal to 1 and minus 1. In this type of the question, be careful, very careful, that left side, right side directly you have not to take, correct? Only left hand side. Left hand side is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. By substituting x is equal to 1 square plus 4 1 minus 5. 1 plus 4 minus 5. 5 minus 5, it is 0. It is right hand side. Therefore, write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is a root of equation. Voice is clear? No, it is not breaking. Ayat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is clear.
Very good. It is improving. Now again for second correction. Left hand side. Same. X square plus 4x minus 5. Now by substituting x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1. So minus minus plus minus 4 minus 5. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8 is not equal to 0 is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution, not a root or solution of given equation. So if 2 values, 3 values are given, take only left side, substitute, then find the answer. Now we will see the different method in different question. That when it is here, we are checking that it is a root or not. At that time, only left side. And when it is given, it is a root. Left side, right side, both you have to take at a time. In next sum, that is in 5th and 6th. 5th and 6th mark very important. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 is root of equation that is given. Therefore, by substituting x is equal to 3, 3 3 are 9k, 30 plus 3, 9k minus 27, 0. 9k 27 27 by 9. K is equal to 3 is the final answer. We have to find out unknown. When the root is given, at that time left hand side, right hand side, both you have to use. When you have to check that it is a root or not, yes or no, at that time only left side. Be careful in this sum, okay? Now here one of the root is given K again. You have to write equation first. X is equal to K is root of equation. Find K. So by substituting X is equal to K, M. Equation is in the form of M. M K raised to 2K plus K is equal to 0. Correct? So it is given. M is given 7 by 5. Number is given, not K. So therefore, by substituting so 5 into minus 7 divided by 5 divided by 5 plus 2 into minus 7 divided by 5 plus K, this 5 cancels, minus plus 49 divided by 5, 14 divided by 5 plus K. 5 is common, 49 minus 14. So it is 35. K is equal to minus 7. Correct? Now page number 36. Factorization. Yesterday I was in school exactly at this time. So I have sent you the memory of that class, bench, blackboard, ground, premises, school building. First, for example, second, fourth, seventh, From 54, we want 15. 54. 9 6 54. We want minus 15. So minus 9, minus 9, minus 6, minus 15. Very systematically you have to write x square minus 9x minus 6x. From first to last two take common. X only common. 6 common. You will get same bracket. If you are not getting same bracket, means something is wrong in this factor. Again common of common. Therefore, x minus 9 is equal to 0, or so solution set is whatever the factor, exactly opposite you will get the answer. Remember this. Now from 20, you want 1. So 5 4s are. When this is negative, at that time, bigger figure will get the sign of middle figure and rest opposite. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. Common of common. Common of common again. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now left to right, x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Solution set. In quadratic solution set, in second chapter, first chapter, simultaneous solution. Again you are getting opposite answer. Now first convert this into simple equation, quadratic equation. Now 15 into 5, 75. I want minus 22. I want minus 22. So 25, 3s are bigger figure, opposite. 25 minus 3 is equal to 22, but bigger figure minus 25. So answer will be of bigger figure sign. So 5m is a common. So m minus 5. 3 is a common. Common of common. So m minus 5 is equal to 0. 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus 5. 5m is equal to minus 3. So m is equal to minus 3 by 5. So here the solution will be this. You have to copy. In this root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. A number into C number, whatever the value of A into the value of C, of that product, you can get this. From that I want 7, so that is 5 2s are. So root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. What you can take the common? Only x. So root 2 x plus 5. Here what you can take the common? Root 2, because root 2 is 2. Because root 2 out. Root 2 x plus 5, that is common. Bracket. Common bracket and uncommon. Then root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, root 2 x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. And here x is equal to minus root 2. So your solution. Correct. So this is done. (43) Using formula. By using formula, we will do by using formula 100% with that heading, they will ask special question. So you have to be ready. For example, y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. So 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 1 3s are 3 ones are. So 3y square or all multiply by 3, then also it is okay. Okay. Now you have to compare with quadratic equation. ay square by plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. First of all, you have to find out b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4ac. 1 minus minus plus. 72. So it is 73. That you can say discriminant value is equal to b square minus 4ac. Sometimes they will ask this only. Now your formula direct solution is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now you will substitute direct minus b, b is 1, minus b is minus 1, plus or minus 73. 2a minus 1 plus or minus root 73, 6. Now you can make the solution. Minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6. Minus 1, 1 time plus 1 time minus. exactly the same. Next, 5x square plus 13x plus 8. So, comparing with equation ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. Now, discriminate b square minus 4ac, 13 square minus 4ac. 13, 13, 169. 4 5 are 20, 8 2 are 16. Correct? It is 9. Okay. So your answer, that is x minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is minus b. B is 13, so minus b is minus 13 plus or minus direct value. Don't apply this in more step. Once you have got this, directly substitute a. So minus 13 plus 3 minus 13 minus 3 by 10 by 10. So this is minus 10 by 10. So this is minus 16 by 10. So if I'll cancel minus 1, if I'll cancel minus 1.6, or you can write 8 by 5. Both are equivalent, same. So the solution is equal to minus 1 minus 1.6. So one example which I have taken, when square root is not possible. Second example I have selected when square root is possible. When it is not possible, simply you just split up into plus and minus. And when it is possible, you just find out the answer. From the total and product, how to form the equation, that part is cancelled. So directly we will determine this, find the discriminant value. One I am taking root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2. Find discriminant value by comparing with equation ax square bx c is equal to 0. So a will be root 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2 root 2. Now discriminant value is this triangle. Formula is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. Make the format. 4 4 is 16. root 2 into 2 again 4. And for discriminant value, 3 conclusion you can get. If discriminant value is exactly 0, roots are real and equal. If it is greater than 0, real, unequal. If it is less than 0, not real, not equal. If it is exactly 0 answer, roots are real and equal. When you will solve this, no, you will get both the brackets, both the answers are same, common. If it is greater than 0, real, not like this. These are the irrational number. Like this, you will get, means square root is possible. Here, square root is not possible in a round figure number. Less than 0, not real, not equal. This for this example, for this example. So sometimes they will give identify the nature. In next they have given 2y square by comparing with the equation ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. B square minus 4ac, b square 4ac, b square 4ac, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, minus minus plus 7, 7, 49, 4 minus 1, 3, 9 minus 6 also 3. It is positive. So delta discriminant is equal to 33. Discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real but not equal. If exactly 0, roots are real, roots are equal. If it is less than 0, not equal, not real. How much remain, bacha? Ayar? Ayar?
Yes, sir.
How much minute remain?
Sir, Zoom is providing unlimited time.
No, it's not possible. Okay, so we will continue in next lecture, part 2, assignment number 2 of algebra. Total 10 lectures I will take on 10 to 20 lectures I will take on 10 assignment. So you have to write this in your notebook, and 2 graded subject related to that your subject teacher are sending PPT or this WhatsApp message and all that. So that also you have to maintain 2 grade book, that is personality development and water management. So be ready with this, and complete the process of your admission form for SSC board examination form, especially fees, your signature, photographs. So complete your process, and very soon we will meet in school. I think from the first week of January, lectures for 10th standard will start. And almost teacher in almost all the subject teachers have completed their syllabus. So for learn 4 months you have for revision. So first 2 months do word to word, then 1 month full on reading revision, then full on 1 month, that is April, paper writing. How much paper you want that I will supply for all the subject for practice. So writing practice is must, because from last many months you have not written. You have just observe and watch these online lectures like movie, and enjoy a lot. So this remaining 4.5 months, do lots of hard work, try your best, get good result, okay, and make us proud, and we will always proud of you. Thank you very much. Close the meeting.